Welcome to Mystical Minds. I am your host, Jamie Girard, and today I will be reading Poetry and Prose from Danny Martin Girard. He's the author of the Poetic Cues trilogy. You can find his work at dannygs.thoughtfortoday.com or Mystical Minds YouTube channel and podcast, co-owned with myself, Jamie Girard. Stand firmly. Stand firmly in times of affliction, and don't allow the storm to overtake you and cause you to give in. Stand firmly by seeking within and having faith in the unseen forces working on your behalf. Stand firmly by releasing your ego and allowing the divine to guide you, lead you, and cause you to overcome and triumph. Thank you so much, Danny G. That was powerful. I believe this with all my heart and soul. I believe let go of everything and you'll be so happy. Stop letting those little things get to you. There's no point. There's lessons we need to learn and just move on from them. That's what I believe that with all my heart and soul. Let go of the ego. Dig deep. Look for what you actually love deep down inside, not what the ego wants. Let that go. Don't allow things to bother you. Get under your skin. There's no point. It's all ego. Everything happens for a reason, and everything is as it should be. I believe that with all my heart. Thank you so much for listening, and have a beautiful day.